Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States what? Customer States my 2014 Audi A6 TDI. Well, it's leaking some coolant. And while you're there, please check and advise. Oh, dropped my ratchet. And we're actually draining the coolant already. What's leaking? Well, the water pump's leaking. This is the brand new one. Here's the old one. So sure enough, this thing was most definitely leaking some coolant there. So what we had to do is, I'll show you what we had to do. We obviously had to drain the coolant via the pet yak, and we also had to remove the drive belt. We also had to remove the power steering pulley. Now, here we have our water pump pulley. Our water pump bolts right here. This is the hardware for the splash shield underneath. This is our water pump bolts. This is a bolt that I did not have to remove, but I know where it goes. So we're gonna let this guy drain overnight. Then after we come in the morning tomorrow, we'll clean this surface up with a red Scotch-Brite, make sure it's nice and clean. And we're going to install the new parts. Very good. Alright, now it's first thing in the morning. We cleaned the surface. We unplugged this connector here and this connector here because we're going to slip the water pump in this way. And that's the way we took it out. Very good. Let's spray the area with some brake clean and get the new pump in. Alright, you want to grab it? Nope, not that way. I'm going to grab it this way. Let's see if we can get it in the way we got it out. I believe it should just slip in past that right there. A little wiggle and we're in. Very good. Wiggle. Very good, guys. Our water pump is installed and torqued to spec. The specification on the steel bolts are 9 Newton meters. If they were aluminum, it's 2 Newton meters plus 90 degrees. But in fact, we have steel bolts, so that is 9 Newton meters. Very good. Very good. We have the water pump pulley on finger tight. We're going to install the belt, and that's how we're going to tighten the bolts back up. We're going to use the belt tension to hold the pulley. Very good. And also, the tensioner over here is a T60, a torque 60 to compress it. Oh, and my light just went out. Alright, drive belts in. Just gotta torque these down to specifications. Very good. Just a tip and trick, what I like to do is I'll draw the belt out first before I remove it, so I know exactly the routing of the belt. So that's one of my tips and tricks for this video, guys. Very good. Well, alright guys, we have the coolant system all bled. We had to run the car at a temperature. We also had to run the car at a temperature to check the oil level. We are spot on. We have heat with no issues. Now for our maiden voyage road test. Very good. If you guys don't know what to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.